Wireless touchscreens are actually required for local programming. So if you're going to do local programming, you're going to need the wireless touchscreen to do this. And there's two ways to connect this wireless touchscreen to the control panel. Okay, the first way is just basically you power the system up. Once it's powered up, you press and hold the tamper switch for 2 seconds. Release the tamper switch 2 seconds. Hold it 2 seconds, release 2 seconds, hold it 2 seconds, release 2 seconds. At that point, the panel is in enrollment mode. It's in WPS enrollment mode if it has a Wi-Fi card on it. It is required to use a Wi-Fi card only if you are pairing the keypad directly to the panel. Also, when you're in enrollment mode, this yellow LED, which your LEDs are over here to the left, your yellow LED is going to flash quickly, telling you that it is in pairing mode. When you're doing the WPS pairing, you want to make sure you stay near the control panel. As we all know, WPS pairing mode is a lower power connection than when it's operational when it's already connected. Okay, so when you're pairing, stay near the control panel. Basically, when you tap this WPS Wi-Fi pairing, your keypad is going to find the control panel. Okay, it will go through its acquiring the keypad address, and then it will ask you to enter the master pin or the installer pin. That's, of course, the code. So 4112 or 1234, and now you're connected to the control. Okay. If you're connecting the touchscreen via the premises Wi-Fi, meaning you've connected the control panel to Ethernet, now when you power up the keypad, you can find and select connect to your wireless network by going to Wi-Fi networks. Once you're connected, you tap pair to panel. It goes through searching for the panel, acquires its IP address, you enter the master code, and it's now connected. Really the same way, it's just one is connecting to the premises Wi-Fi, meaning you can use the keypad anywhere you want in the building. Previous way, using WPS, means you need to be within range of the control panel's Wi-Fi network or wherever you extend that Wi-Fi network.